Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the sound effects on the Wordscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And new, click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen. Here you can find the second option, the sound, and if you want to disable, just click to the on button. And new, the sound effect is turned off. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.